Hi, this is Fast Home Cooking. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook chicken in a very easy and delicious way, specifically chicken thighs. The idea for this came when I prepared chicken thighs in the barbecue, and it was so much more delicious than in a fry pan. And I tried different ways and figured out that it was the lid around, because the barbecue has a lid that allows air to heat all around it. And I did the same thing with a pan that has a lid, and it worked. And now I'm going to show you. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. They're the easiest to cut. And salt and pepper and a fry pan with a lid. In this case I'm using a big knife and a big cutting board because I just find them more comfortable. However, I did try with these and it took a minute more because it's a bit smaller. I gotta cut like that, but it does work. And what we shall do is cut them up and put them in here. So the reason we're cutting them up is to cook them all through without overcooking them. And I'll cut them in pieces of about 1 inch, maybe. Yeah, about 1 inch. About this, and then I cut like this, like this. Try to keep the pieces approximately the same-ish size. That's what will allow good uniform cooking. It being consistent all over. Otherwise, some pieces will be slightly overcooked. And then what you'll do while cooking them is check that the biggest piece, because there's always going to be a piece a little bit bigger, that the biggest piece is fully cooked, and if that one is fully cooked, it means all the smaller ones are also fully cooked. Chicken thighs have quite a bit of their own fat, so because they have that, and also it's a non-stick pan, I'm definitely not going to need to add any kind of oil. It will, it will cook with its own fat. I figured I would show you with a tiny cutting board and a tiny paring knife. It doesn't cut very well, but still you kind of careful, go like that. So you have to kind of like push a bit extra than with the big knife, but except for that, I already did it with the fully with the big knife and with the small knife. The difference with the big knife, I think it's 3 minutes, and with the small knife 4 minutes. The seasoning is very easy. Just put this flat-ish. It's just to put the salt and pepper in. Very simple. Don't be afraid to be generous. Salt is not that bad for you. Some pepper. Now I'm going to put it on the fire, medium, low, medium fire. If it's gas, put it very low. If it's electric, put it medium because, well, gas is more powerful. And cover it, and it will cook for about 10 minutes. It will actually start frothing, like making real bubbles, and liquid will come out. And when that happens, it's probably ready. You'll see it's kind of spectacular and surprising. It's been a couple minutes. It's heating up a bit. You can see a little bit of water coming out, a bit of grease, but it's not frothing yet or anything like that. The 2 secrets of good food are good ingredients and don't overcook stuff. It's definitely getting close. Yeah, this is still pink, so it's not ready. Here it's really frothing. That means it's ready. As soon as I take it off, it's frothing less. Everything has changed colors, as you can see. It's I'll pick a big piece. This is a biggish piece. If I go through, see how tender it is. You can see it's all white all through. Brown is fine for thighs. It's pink that we don't want. So you can just take it, you can drain it, you can kind of shake it a bit like that and put it in a plate, eat it directly. I will take a paper towel like that. Otherwise it just has a lot of liquid in it. You can see here, you can drain it. See, there's a lot of water that came out, a lot of fat. There we go. Yeah, ready to use, ready to taste. Oh, super good. So please comment, subscribe, click like if you like the video. It will help other people see it. And thanks. Bye. This was Fast Home Cooking.